हेलो एवरीवन, होप आप लोग सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे। और आज हम जो वीडियो करने जा रहे हैं वो है डेली रूटीन से रिलेटेड। ये उन लोगों के लिए है जो अपनी इंग्लिश जर्नी बिगिन कर रहे हैं और अपनी डेली रूटीन को इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलें वो सीखना चाहते हैं। सो लेट्स बिगिन। I wake up. I get up. I make my bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I make breakfast. I have breakfast. I get dressed. I comb my hair. It's not comb, it's comb. I comb my hair. The B is silent in comb. I go to school. I have my meal. I go back home. I study subjects. I play outside. I share ideas with my friends. I take rest. I do homework. I eat snacks. I help my mother. I read book. I watch TV. I have dinner. I go to sleep. So that was all about basic level English learning. For daily English videos, subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like and comment. Thank you. Happy learning.